Good morning, students.
Dear students, now we are going to learn about combination tournament. Since from the name itself we get an idea that it will be a combination of tournament. So in combination tournament basically we are combining tournaments of knockout as well as league tournaments. So as we have discussed that there are four types of combination tournament. They are knockout cum knockout tournament. Next is knockout cum league tournament. Next is league cum league tournament, and the final one would be league cum knockout tournament. So this becomes combination. So first of all, let us move with the first one, that is knockout cum knockout tournament. Basically, this type of tournaments. In this type of tournaments, the interzonal tournaments are taking place in these formats, in combination of formats. In knockout cum knockout, first of all we will be taking an example of 16 teams. Now, as we all know that our country India is classified into four zones, that is east, west, north and south. So if I divide 16 into 4, it becomes 4 teams. Means knockout cum knockout tournament, just take it, consider it as first of all zonal tournaments. Means there will be 4 teams in each zones. Then each zone winner, there will be each zone winner from 4 different zones. There those 4 zone winner will be playing in interzonal tournaments. So that become knockout cum knockout. Let us start. So zone A, I have 4 teams. So here I can see 4 as the winner of zone A. Similarly, for zone B, again you can see 3 is the winner of zone B. Simultaneously, one is the winner of zone C. This is one zonal matches. So these are all zonal matches. Now we have one zone winner from each zone. Next we move on to interzonal. We move on to interzonal tournaments where zone A, B, C and D will be playing again with each other. So you see, winner zone A, winner zone B, winner zone C, winner zone D. Now they will be playing with each other. So try to understand. Next, so at last this is an example of knockout come knockout. You see, in both the phases, in zonal matches as well as in interzonal tournaments, in both the cases we are using knockout tournament. Yes, dear students, here we have come with another example of combination tournament, that is league come league tournament. So in this, in zonal matches as well as in interzonal matches, in both the phases we will be following league phase method. So here same as 16 teams, we will be having 4 teams in each zone. So in zone A, 4 teams. Now, as you can see in the board, each zone there are 4 teams, and from each zone we will be having one zone winner. So again, this is a method of staircase method as I have drawn. I have used the staircase method of league tournament. So in interzonal, winners will be again playing with all the teams, because in league tournament all the teams play with each other once. So next, moving forward, so as you can see here, all the winners, Zone A is playing with the winner of Zone B once, Zone A is playing with the winner of Zone C once, Zone A is playing with the winner of Zone D once. So one team is playing with all the other team once. So this is an example of league cum league tournament. Moving forward, now next we are moving to the third type of combination tournament, that is knockout cum league. Now in knockout cum league, as the name suggests, the first of all the name knockout is coming. So in zonal tournament we will make sure that all the teams participate, play with the help of knockout tournament, and during interzonal tournament the teams who are qualifying for interzonal, means the group winners in interzonal, we will follow league method. So it is the combination of knockout and league. Just see how to do. So, as you see, in zonal tournament we have used the knockout phase. You can write also here. knockout phase. So each zone is having one winner. Moving forward to inter-zonal tournaments. So each zone winner again will be participating in inter-zonal tournaments with the help of league basis. Just see, dear students, each zone winner is playing once with all the other zone winners under inter-zonal tournament. So here in zonal tournament we have used knockout phase. Since knockout, the name knockout is coming first, you can mention here league phase. Since league phase, the league name is coming afterwards, so during inter-zonal tournament we have used league phase. So it is an example of knockout cum league. Moving forward to the last type of combination tournament. That is league cum knockout tournament. So here, as you see, the name league is coming at first, afterwards knockout is coming. So first of all, during zonal tournaments we will be using league method. Then in inter-zonal tournament we will be using knockout method. So let us proceed. These into means teams are playing, means versus. So this is the zonal tournament which we have covered with league method. So each zone will be having one winner. So let us move to inter-zonal tournament. In inter-zonal tournament, we will be using knockout method. So let us only include the zone winners only. So as you see, winners of zone A, winner of zone B, winner of zone C, winner of zone D. So these zone winner will be competing with each other with the help of knockout method. We need to drag a line in between, as we have been doing since we are doing knockout fixture. So this is an example of league cum knockout tournament, where in zonal tournament we have used league method. So each team plays with all other teams in zonal tournament. When we moved to inter-zonal tournament with the zone winners, there we have followed knockout method, because the latter phase is knockout. So there the winner of each respective zones played with each other on knockout method. So this is an example. So with this we come to the end of today's video. Thank you all of you. Tomorrow we will come once again with another topic. Thank you. God bless.